Okay, I already done the feed Ethan. It's because Ethan's want to go out. So, I need to fix his wheelchair first because it's not tight. So, let's fix it first, Ethan, because Papa is working. So, it's Mama's time to fix this. Okay. Okay. We'll fix it, Ethan, before we go out. If what means do, we can do as well as us. We are men and a woman. Okay, yeah. Look at his wheelchair. It's not good. So I need to tie this. But I need to fix this. Ethan. Ethan, look at Mama Ethan, oh. Ethan. 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 Ethan, don't laugh, Mama Ethan. Okay. Ethan, oh my God. I guess it's tight now. But I need to tight this one also. Before Ethan put here. Like this here as well. Or I need more tight. Okay. It's okay now. But I guess this one. And then after this, okay. Ethan will ride on his wheelchair. Oh my God. It's okay now. And then we'll put Ethan here. We'll back his wheelchair. Okay, Nanay. Okay. Bahan ni Ethan.
Dito na lang. Tuwing na lang para may hapon.
Let's go, Ethan. No, I will put Ethan's shoes first because this is his shoes. The therapist says that you need to use this every time that he sits to put in his wheelchair. So it's I will put him first here, and then after that we will wear this for Ethan. Come here, Ethan! I will give him, okay. This is our kuya. See, kuya. Say hi. See?
Okay, bagong ligo ako. Buti lang. Ayos lang. Okay lang yan. Kita ko din sa light. Bagong ligo na ako.
Done. I'm taking my medicine. Say hi to them. Say hi. Hello. We are going out. I am Ethan Brynon. Hello. We're going out. Oops. Okay. Here's the routine about Ethan's mama and Ethan. After I feed him, and then take a shower, and then put in his wheelchair, going out, so that Ethan will be happy. Because he's very happy if Ethan will going out. He's a happy boy. Okay, Ethan's already on his shoes. Yes. And then we will put Ethan in his wheelchair. Relax lang, relax. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, oops. Relax. Baby, Ethan, may I borrow your legs? Okay. He need to, flat his back here so that he will not,
Sino?
he will not, it's not hard for him.
Sino?
And then,
Yung nag-up na kayo? Kung hindi lang dahil yung piano, kay Ate Venus, ay naman na hindi ko ba. Hindi kasi ako nag-private talk, kaya kahit hindi niya friend yun,
so baan mo di akim ay nga naghimo ni ko dire.
ay, nakita naman niya dun sa ano, nakita naman niya dun sa ano, sa screen. Kaya yun, wag mo siya.
Yes! Ethan's done, ready to go out now.
Hindi yun.
Ethan is ready to go out. Yay!
Oo. Nakita ko sa comment niya eh.
Ethan is ready to go out now. So,
Kung kami titiklop niya yung partner, kanya kami titiklop.
I need... Yes. But his head. I need to get his towel or his
Ano kasi yung princess kasi namin yun, kaya doon kami titiklop.
for his
Kasi
saliva.
nakawa. Kasi nasindon si Dandan. Gusto ko yung yung Dandan.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Ethan. You need to straight your head. Straight your head now. Straight your head.
Mas
Let's
nakawa.
go.
Yung dumating doon sa si hindi pa ako nabilang yung yun, pero yung ka pa. Sa gabi na ako nabilang yung
Yay! We are going out now. We will wait because there's a car. Let's go, Ethan. Slowly, slowly. Ay, sorry. Ito slow. Okay. Ay, sorry. Alright. Alright. We are here outside na. There's a lot of kids there, oh. Your playmates was there. Let's go, let's go. Yes, we are going out now. Ethan is very happy. You're happy? You're happy? You need to straight your head. You need to straight your head. Straight. Sometimes his head is like going here left and then right. Sometimes also I need to put so that his head will be straight. Okay. Alright, we need sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. Yes, we are here outside in our home with the Ethan. We're going to there. He have a playmate there. Oh, the playmate was there. Alright, he's so very happy when he's going out in the house. He's so very happy. Lalala kids there. Oh, this is our routine. Ethan every morning. And then afternoon also before he eat his dinner, before he's taking his meals, he need to take his meals so that he's not like very strong. He's very strong when he didn't take his meals. Hello. See, there's a kid here. Oh. They are playing. Hi.
Ate Michael, ito yan na here.
Hello. I am Ethan.
Ate me, chicken.
Oh. Yes.
Michael.
Yes, Ethan.
What's your mouth? Ate Daddy, the chocolate.
Oh. What?
Ito po siya?
No.
Ate Frank, hey.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ate Frankie right there.
Oh.
The basket to check.
Ethan wants to write also, but he don't know how to use that. Oh my God! Don't.
Oh my God. Close your mouth.
Sometimes he
Close
closes his
mouth.
mouth. Yeah, close your mouth, Ethan. Close your mouth. He can close his mouth, but if he is very excited. Oh, car, baby car. There's a car.
Hello.
Yeah, there's a car.
Okay. Now again. Look, ikaw kaliwa.
He's so very happy when he have a playmate.
Look.
Nice to meet you. You're Chuck. Oh. You know how to write?
Give me.
Okay. Say bye to them. Keep going. He look like sleepy.
Ala, mahaba. Ew. Oh, she's smiling.
Yeah, he's smiling.
He can walk.
Yeah, he can't do. That's why he's in his life.
Did you talk?
No. He didn't talk.
Wait a minute. He's special. Ala, mahaba. Dili. Hey,
So
dili.
very long. It's like his mom. Okay. Say bye to them. We're going now.
So bye.
Bye. See you next
You
time.
can talk me well.
Huh?
Talk
Hey,
Then,
alis na tayo. Bye-bye, ah.
no. Color.
Okay. We're going now.
On the ground. Wait.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to them. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye. Bye-bye.
My reaction right now.
When you... Alright. Keep going. There's a car. Going inside. He needs sunlight as well. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ethan. Ethan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Choy, choy, choy. Say hi to the... Hello. Hello. So exercise as well. I am walking every day like this. Like if Ethan and I not go out, Ethan and I were doing Zumba. Zumba. I am dancing. I am dancing in the front of Ethan sometimes. So there's a car, I guess. It's going around. Alright. Okay. So we're going back now. We're going back to the house. Okay. We're going back to our house now. We are far. We are far to our house now. So we need to back. Alright, alright, alright. Ethan, Ethan, Ethan. Okay. Alright. We have our hair is very long now. So he need haircut. He need haircut. Okay. Time here is 9 in the morning. Sometimes the sunlight is so very very nice, sometimes not good. That's why sometimes Ethan and I not go out. So and then kids are asking why I am ready here. Why Ethan's not ready here. Yeah. You want like mother like son.
Hey, stop. Stop. Don't do that.
Okay.
November 6.
And then when we arrive our home, Ethan will still sit on his wheelchair and then he will watching his movie. His favorite movie is a racing car. He will be screaming a lot. I thought that he is he's great, but he's so very happy. He really like to watch that. So we are almost in our home, and then Ethan will watch his movie. But need to relax first because I am pending. My God, I am pending. Mama is so very Mama's pending. I am not a perfect mom, but I tried for my son. It's so very hard. Okay, alright. It open sesame. Sesame open. Okay. Yeah.
Layo makadaagtan ka?
Ay,
Layo makadaagtan? Ha?
sarado ang gitnay.
Bayo,
Sarado ang gitnay. Okay, we're home. We're home. Ethan's home now. So it's because Ethan's home. Ethan's Ethan's very hot. So I will give him his movie. I will. Racing car, you want to watch? Huh, Ethan? You want to watch racing car? Racing car. Racing car. He's so very happy. He's a happy boy. So we will play his racing car. This is his racing car. Guys. And then while he's watching his movie, it's because almost 10 here now, so I need to get my breakfast. But I need to do Ethan first. Earlier, before we go out, he already take a shower and breakfast before he take a shower. And then this is always my routine as a mom. It's a very high breath. Fight for Ethan! For our Ethan! So I need to eat my breakfast. And Ethan watching me. So it's because almost 10. Yeah, it's almost 10. So we will wait 11:30. 11:30 we need to feed him for his lunch. And then after that lunch, he will be lying down in his bed, and then he will be sleep. And then he will sleep 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours, and then when he woke up, you know what, he asking milk. Well, asking milk, and then after that his milk, sometimes he will be cry, because if he will be cry, it means that he want to go out again. So sometimes that I will bring him out, and then when we come back, relax, and then give him a medicine again for his because his medicine is he will take morning and afternoon the same time. Morning, the first medicine is 7 in the morning, and then the one is 9 in the morning. So 7 to 7, and then 9, 5. So that's why he need to take, so that he cannot strong. He's not a strong look at him, so that he cannot so very hyper. And then after that he need to eat orange, his blend fruits, and then by 6 o'clock he will eat his dinner. That's my routine every day. Look at him, oh. But we need to,
Tatlo. Ha?
but sometimes I need to make, it's like an appeal for here, so that it will tight here, because if I can put the pillow here, sometimes his head will be right, left and right, and then it's not straight for him to watch the movie. You know what, guys? I am not good at English, but I'm trying. I'm trying to speak English. Even in my own English, I am not bleeding. I am not bleeding in my own English. Oh my God! Go fast, faster, Ethan! Faster! Okay, it's time for the race. Oh my God! The race is start, Ethan. Okay. I'm sorry. Excuse, Ethan. That's why we have this, because he push his legs here. He push it, and then there will be up, and then before also he's doing like that. So that's why his therapist put shows that his shoulder will be down, and then it will be fair. Before it's hard for me to put him in his wheelchair. But now, because he's taking his leave, it's okay, but it's not like before. And also, I would like to thank also to the person that donate his wheelchair. And also, guys, yeah, his therapist also said that he need his glasses, so that, because his therapist says that maybe that's what maybe he can see me, but it's only a shadow, it's like that, it's not clear. But I did not bring him yet in the doctor, because of course if we go in the doctor we spend money, and we need to pay. So I need to to have first some money for to fix his eyes, so that he cannot roll his eyes to left and right, because that's the reason also why he's because sometimes when he's watching his movie, he's like that, but his eyes is going there, or his head is going left, but his eyes is here inside. So that's the therapist said that he need Ethan's glasses, because most Ethan's classmates also have a glasses, and they said that they will straighten now to watch their movie, and then they know also that who's coming. They are they know that who's coming. It's not a shadow for them. That the doctor also said to them that we are not talking to the doctor, so we can have you know for money first, because of course the money that also that I earn is is it's used for his weekly therapies. He have right now he has three therapies, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So by January, oh my God, he's screaming. By January, there's another therapy that he know how to chew his mouth, because if I give him a food, it's like he's an all I don't know how to say that, but when you feed him, he will not chew, and then he will choke. So the therapist said that he need OPP. So the start will be January. So by January when he start, I guess his he will be more I guess fat. Because look at his he need meat, but if I give him a meat, he's choke because he don't know how to chew. That's the problem. We are working. We are working for that. But he is a very happy boy. He's a happy boy. Even if he is sick. If he can take it to smile, he can smile. He is not like the other kids that if they are sick, it's like always crying. It's like that. But he know how to handle himself when he is sick. Yeah, he's a very happy boy. Okay. I guess we need to play our games, and then I will be back with him after I eat. So I need to relax first. I need to sit for 20 minutes, of course. I need to relax as a mom. And I am thankful also that my mom is here doing our laundry, because I'm so very busy taking care of my son. Alright. We will play our game, words game. Play with us, guys. There's a very fun game. See you later.